Danke bafowethu, welcome back to Nkuliso. Ntwari goalkeeper we-Rwanda nowe-Kaizer Chiefs umake sure ukuthi i-South Africa iyaqualify for i-FIFA World Cup. Uthe ngizowathinta kodwa ngizowathinta angene, ngeke ngijampise. Angifuni ukuthi babone ukuthi ngizowathinta. Yeah, but I mean, what a performance from Ntwari. Enzeka vele amaphutha, but like ukuthi mhlampe if ukwazile ukuwathinta ulithinta nje ngeshot ibhola liphumela ngaphandle, but 2 goals are questionable ama-reflexes wakhe nanokuthi bekangakwazi ukuwaseva. But-ke it seems like a giveaway, but congratulations yet again for Bafana Bafana ngoba bakwazile ngempela ukuba serious. I mean khona lela liseyivile laka-Apolis ngey'nyawo, khona liseyivile lakaNkotha, ube ne-good game overall. But-ke lamagoli awu-2 ayi umake sure ngempela ukuthi siyaqualify. Angazi ukuthi abantu beKhosi Nation bafila kanjani because of bebafollowa uNtwari ukuthi uye laphana ozokwenza izinto zenzeke, because of bebathi bona today they are supporting ugoalkeeper wabo, which is ugoalkeeper we-Kaizer Chiefs, which is okay. You're not like opposed to your ideas and what you wanna do with your own views and the way ubona ngakhona izinto. So well, a questionable performance from yena, but-ke njengoba ngishilo ukuthi kube nawo ama-good moments. Angifuni ukuqamba amanga ngibheke isayidi elilodwa nje kuphela ngithi akadlalanga kahle, no. Kube ne-element of lucky or i-unlucky from yena ukuthi akakwazanga mhlampe ukwaphera away lamabhola ayi-2, but-ke overall well-balanced performance. Into engifuna ukuyibuza nje Khosi Nation ukuthi njengoba le performance niyibonile edlala neBafana Bafana, ngicabanga ukuthi u-well equipped na ukuthi abe yi-number 1 laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs, or u-right ukuthi nje adlale kule position le adlala kuyo, which is a third choice, sometimes uba i-second choice ku-Kaizer Chiefs. Indaba yakhe ayikakabi straight, ayaziwa straight ukuthi kahle kahle i-position yakhe laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs iyiphi, ukuthi angaba better, maybe better than ulokhunjana uVuma. Is he better than uVuma? Is he better than uPeterson? Udeserva okungcono, way better than what he's currently getting laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs? What's the story? Because mesikhuluma ngaye abanye bayasho ukuthi okay, abanye bayakholelwa kuyena, bayasho ukuthi i-player ngempela ku-Kaizer Chiefs elingakwazi ukuba u-number 1. But-ke maybe into emenza ukuthi abe flat footed kwamanye amagame ukuthi isikhathi esiningi laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs akadlali bafowethu, sikhuluma iqiniso, hhayi ukuthi maybe yiyo into emshayayo iphinde imshaye lo ukuthi it's very hard for him to play laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs overall, because uVuma udlala kahle kakhulu, is currently number 1. And then number 2 would be okay, also is currently it's currently yes, uPeterson is currently number 1, yena is number 3. So I mean yeah, kunzima ukuvimba laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs, watholile ama-opportunities considering the fact that he opposed ama-views we-coach ukuthi angaphumi laphana overall waya kuma-penalty. So we just have to wait and see, sibone ukuthi izophelelaphi indaba yakhe ne-Kaizer Chiefs, ukuthi basazomnika amanye ama-opportunities ukuthi adlale out of what he has done ku-Kaizer Chiefs, ukuthi a-oppose o-coach ukuthi a-replace-iwe laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs. Yeah, but simfisela inhlanhla ulokhunjana u-coach we-Rwanda bafethu ube namagama a-strong before i-match le kudlalwa neBafana Bafana khona. Uthe i-Kaizer Chiefs mengeke imdlalise lo goalkeeper lo, ngcono imhambise because of uNtwari is one of the best goalkeepers e-Africa. Uthe yabona ukuthi lawa amagama a-strong kakhulu bafethu ukuthi lo goalkeeper is one of the best goalkeepers e-Africa. With what you saw today, obviously ugoalkeeper ngeke umjaje phela ngematch eyodwa nje kuphela. But-ke with what you guys saw today, do you think uyadeserva ukunikwa ama-opportunities laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs? Is he one of the best goalkeepers on the continent? Because kwela kubo but he's one of the best on the continent. So babona ngathi Kaizer Chiefs kune-element of disrespect ukuthi ingamdlalisi lo goalkeeper lo, because bona believe ukuthi super talented, uyadeserve ukuba u-number 1 laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs. That is why maybe naye oppose ukuphuma laphana, maybe ubonile ukuthi awu ngingawathola ama-opportunities kangaka, manje sengithola i-chance ukuthi ngidlale bafuna ukungikhipha bayadlala labantu laba. So yeah, I mean sobona ukuthi indaba yakhe ne-Kaizer Chiefs izohamba kanjani this season. But yeah, he's not a bad goalkeeper overall. Ngeke ukuthi umuntu ubad ngegame eyodwa, but-ke amanye amagame, I mean igame namhlanje bokuwukuthi azisolidify laphana, abonise abantu ukuthi why adeserve ukuthi adlale laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs overall, why kumele abe preferred more than abanye o-goalkeeper laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs. But it seems like akakwazanga ukuyithatha i-opportunity yakhe when it was presented today, because South Africa yonke beyibukele, Kaizer Chiefs yonke beyibukele, management, technical team, everyone nje olaphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs beyibukele le game namhlanje ukuthi kaze iyozala nkomoni in terms of like ugoalkeeper wabo ku-continental level, because uye yabona kuthi ukwazile ukuvimba uye bekazostopa ukuthi Bafana Bafana ingaqualify, to be honest, if ukwazile ukubamba ziqine laphana wadefenda kahle, wadlala kahle kakhulu. But I mean, kudos to Bafana Bafana, they attacked, ba-attackile bafethu. Ngishilo kwi-previous clip yami ukuthi they could have easily scored I think boma 7 goals, but amanye ama-saves from yena uNtwari abe good kakhulu, to a point ukuthi bekaba-frustrator ngempela laphana oNkotha, owaPolice, and yabona iBafana Bafana mayilida 2-0, they had to make sure ukuthi bashayile i-strip, because ulida 2-0 bayakora, and then so under pressure-ke manje sokumele udefende ukuthi bangalishayeli inye igoli, cause once zabo kwaba yi-2-1 bebaseproblemini, bekumele manje badlalele ukuthi ba-make sure bangasenzi ama-mistake, but lucky enough they kept going forward, they kept creating opportunities, ekugcineni balishaya igoli lesithathu through icorner, u-Evidence Makgopa. Siyazi ukuthi ikora abadlali abawu-3, which is uMbatha, Apolice could have scored 2 or 3, but he scored 1. Man of the match performance from Apolice. I like what he said, because for yena Apolice it's just about the team. We appreciate ukunikwa i-opportunity engaka ukuthi a-represent i-national team yakhe ku-grand stage. Uthe uzoqhubeka asebenze ngokuzikhandla ukuthi anikwe ama-opportunities laphana kuBafana Bafana, ukuthi aqhubeke ukudlala, uthi hopefully uzoba khona futhi in terms of like maba-select ama-player lese kuma-competitions azayo. Beku-emotional obvious for wonke ama-players ayi-involved laphana. I mean, ukuqualifya for i-FIFA World Cup akusiyo into encane, into enkulu kakhulu. uHugo Broos khona into ayishile ebalulekile, uthe after i-FIFA World Cup, because of ama-player Bafana Bafana azoya ku-FIFA World Cup, kuzoba ne-interest from all over the world. Abantu bazoqala ukuba ne-interest e-serious manje, because I mean masibheka i-World Cup i-competition enkulu kakhulu. If unama-player akwaziyo ukuqualifya for i-FIFA World Cup, it shows ukuthi likhona ithalente within the country. And the coolest thing, into esiyibonile laphana kuBafana Bafana, ukuthi kuqale ama-player adlala ku-PSL. Imagine not even one player edlala outside eliqalile, because masibheka i-first starting lineup yabo bafowethu sibone ama-player adlala ku-PSL kuphela. Imagine like siyabona ukuthi i-PSL ayiligi enkulu bafowethu. Cabanga qale uWilliams emuva, uNdamane we-TS Galaxy, uSibiso we-Orlando Pirates, uModibo we-Mamelodi Sundowns, uMudau we-Mamelodi Sundowns, laphana ku-midfielder bekuwuMokoena we-Mamelodi Sundowns, uMbatha we-Pirates, uSipho Mbuli we-Orlando Pirates, u-Apolice we-Orlando Pirates, uMakgopa we-Orlando Pirates, uMorena we-Mamelodi Sundowns. So siyabona nje overall laphana ukuthi isquad besinjani overall ama-teams waku-PSL. So nama-teams waku-PSL they should be proud ukuthi i-league yabo iyakwazi ukuproducer i-national team. I-league yabo man, i-league yabo iyakwazi just nje i-league kuphela, ukuthi wonke umuntu udlala laphana local. Uma ubheka amanye ama-international team o-Nigeria kuphi badlala kwamanye amazwe, but it's only unique eSouth Africa kuphela, because bona abaningi badlala la eSouth Africa. They don't need to go to overseas because i-league yabo i-highly competitive, nanokuthi ikhokha kangcono uma uyi-big player eSouth Africa. But-ke uma bafuna uku-improve abafana, baningi abanamaphupho okudlala overseas, but-ke sobona ukuthi lawo maphupho lawo azohamba aze afike kuphi, nanokuthi ama-teams wabo azobadedela kanjani. Danke bafethu, ngicela ningakhohlwa uku-like and subscribe.